Hello, math enthusiasts. Today's topic is Heron's formula. If base and height of a triangle are given, we can find its area by applying the standard formula A equals to base into height upon 2. But if height is not known, then it is Heron's formula which will help us. My name is Nitin Chauhan. I am math tutor and mentor at iMinds Academy, and our objective is to make math interesting. So let's get started. The question before us today is the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So the data before us today is we have the sides which are given in the ratio form. We don't have the actual values and we are given the perimeter of the triangle which is 540 centimeter. And we all know that perimeter is nothing but sum of all sides. So if we convert this ratio into actual values and we equate it to 540 centimeter, then we will know that these sides are what? I mean, what are the values of these sides? So let's get started with the ratio. Now here I will write down the ratio first. 12 is to 17 is to 25. If I have to convert this ratio into actual values, I will multiply all the three elements by a common variable. So let's say the common variable is k. So this becomes 12k, this becomes 17k, and the third side becomes 25k. Now these are the three sides in terms of variable. If I add all these three sides, it should be equal to 540 centimeter because this is the perimeter, right? So let's add all of them. 12k plus 17k plus 25k, this should be equal to what? 540. So now this gives us 12 plus 17, 29 plus 25, 54k equals to 540. So this implies k equals to 540 upon 54, which is equal to 10. So now since I have the value of k, I can find out the value of these sides. So what are the three sides? 12k, 17k and 25k, and the k value is 10. So now the three sides will be three sides of triangle are 12k, that is 12 into 10, 120, and 17k, 17, right? 17k will be 170 and 25k will be 250. So now we have all the three sides, right? So this is, let's say this is 120 centimeter, this is 170 centimeter, and this is 250 centimeter. Now what do we have? We have only the three sides, but we don't have, as I told you, a height. This is actually the height of the triangle. This is the height, but this is not known. This is not given to us. Let me not put that sign. Let me remove. This is not given. Height is not given to us. Okay, so let's not confuse it. Let's remove this height thing. Okay, and we will stick to our formula. So since height is not given, we will apply Heron's formula. So what is the method to apply Heron's formula? What you will do is, you will, let's say this will be P, this is, let's say, Q, and this is, let's say, the R. So to find the area, first we have to find the value of S. So what is S? S is equal to sum of all sides divided by 2. Sum of all sides divided by 2. This is S. This you have to derive first. So that is nothing but P plus Q plus R upon 2, which is equal to 120 plus 170 plus 250 upon 2. So that gives us what? 120 plus, this is 540 by 2. 540 by 2 means 540 upon 2 gives us 270. So I got the S value as 270. Now once I get S value, I will apply the final formula, which is A equals to square root of, okay, S into S minus A into, sorry, not A, here we have used P, right? So P into S minus Q into S minus R. So this is the final formula. By replacing the values, we will get our area. So this is equal to square root of S is 270, so 270 into, again S is 270, S minus P becomes 270 minus 120, then 270 minus 170, and 270 minus 250. Correct? So what do we get now? We get square root of 270 into, this is 150, this is 100, and this is 20. Now we need to find the square root of this particular value. So what is square root? Square root is basically a product of number by its own number. A number multiplied by itself is nothing but the square number of it, and one portion of that will be the square root. So what do? We will try to convert this product into product of couplets. So how do we do that? We will just write like this. 270 I can write down as 27 into 10. 15 I can write down as 15 into 10. 100 I can write down as 10 into 10. And this I will write down as 4 into 5. Okay. Now why we have done this is, we are just converting this entire value into product of couplets. So now I'll further break it further. So what happens? 27 I'll write it down as 3 into 3 into 3. This is 27. And now this 10 will come down as it is. So into 10. 15 will be 3 into 5. And the next, there are how many tens? There are 1, 2, 3 tens. So I will bring them down as it is. 10 into 10 into 10 into, here I have 4 into 5. So this I will write down as 2 into 2 into 5. Now if we notice, these all variables are in couplets. So let's make one couplet. Okay, let's make all the couplets. Let's say, okay, let me cross them. So this is one couplet, so I'll write 1 3 here, multiplied by one more 3 couplet is there, so 1 3 comes here. 1 10 will come out, 1 5 will come out because it is a couplet. Again one more 10 will come out, and finally 1 2 comes out. So this is a product of couplets, and therefore this was a square number, and the square root of this is one portion of it. We just took the one portion of this couplets, and that will give us our square root. So what is the value we get? 3 3s are 9, 9 10s are 90, 90 900, 900 into 900 into 10, that is equal to 9,000 centimeters square. So this is our final answer. This is the area of triangle of sides whose ratio were in 12:17:25 ratio. The sides were given in this form, and the perimeter was 540 centimeter. From that we found out the individual sides by using the variable method. So we got all the sides as 120, 170, 150. And the moment we got sides, we found out the value of S first. S is nothing but sum of all sides divided by 2. So that gave us 270. Now this becomes S value, and then we applied the final formula, that is square root of S into S minus P, S minus Q into S minus R, where P, Q are the 3 sides. So when we do this, when we find the value of this square root, we got 9000 centimeters square as our final answer. So this brings an end to today's topic. I hope you liked the solution and the explanation as well. Yesterday's topic was on finding factors, finding count of factors and divisors using prime factorization method. The response was fabulous. First two answers came within seconds of posting the iSuperSolver, and the next 12 answers came by the next minute. So it was quite fast. Today at 9 p.m. again we will post iSuperSolver on the same topic, which is Heron's formula. So go through this video, understand the concept, and when the iSuperSolver is posted, try to respond as soon as possible. Good luck to you and good day. Thank you.